Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok stuck at no views. So let's say you upload a TikTok video and you have 0 views on that TikTok video. Well, I'm going to be showing you a way through which you guys can fix it, alright? Because there might be some things which you are doing in order for you to get 0 views, because nobody shall get a 0 view, alright? Like if you have 10 or 20 followers, at least those people are going to watch it. So let me show you guys what things you are doing wrong. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, go on profile and click on the 3 line at the top of your screen and go on versus setting and privacy. And go on versus privacy, and on privacy make sure this private account option at the top is turned off. If it is turned on, it means your account is private and only your followers can see your video, which means like other public viewers can see it. That's why it's not getting more views. So make sure it's turned off, and after turning it off, all the public people will view your videos and you should get like more views. But let's say even after doing that you're not getting views, your video could be private. By that I mean click on the plus and upload any random videos. I'm gonna upload a random video from over here, so I'm gonna choose like this, click on next, and over here where it says who can watch this video, click on it. If it is set on everyone, that means you're good, but if it's set on only me, only you can view it. It's basically like you uploading a private video, alright? So make sure it's set on everyone. After it's set on everyone, click on post and your video should be, after you click on everyone and you post a video, anyone can view it, so it should be good. And the other way to check it is click on the video and click on the 3 dot at the video and scroll at the side and click on versus privacy setting. And on privacy setting, if it says where it says who can watch the video, if it is set on everyone, it's good, but if it's set on only me, then your video could only be watched by you. So come over here and make sure your video is on everyone and your video should start getting more views, alright? And the other thing is, if your video is under review, then your video is not going to get any view, because TikTok is not going to recommend your video to any other people. And the only reason you're going to get your videos under review is if your video violates the community guideline of TikTok. Like let's say you're posting video with criminal behavior, shooting and other violent stuff or nudity on it, then it's gonna do that stuff. So make sure your video is like under TikTok guideline, it's safe and anybody can watch it, and your video is not private and your account is not private, then anybody can watch your video and you should get views, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix TikTok stuck at no views. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.